Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Opera05. And the first one is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power and at the back side of the charging case we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable right at this port, and on the front side we have the LED light and we can see it, meaning that your headphones are charging. Excellent. Now the second option is to use your phone to charge your headphones, and all you need to have is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Connect USB-C cable to your phone. And the second one at the back side of the charging case, to USB-C port, of course. Again, we have this LED light, so it also charging your earbuds. Now, the last one is to use USB-A to USB-C cable, and you can charge your earbuds from, let's say, your PC, and it looks like this. Now, connect USB-A cable to USB-A port on your device. And USB-C at USB-C port on your charging case. Again, this LED light, so it also works. And that's it. This earbuds doesn't support wireless charging, so only these methods. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!